I have absolutely no woodworking knowledge or anything else when I started this project. Watching videos, watching what other people have done, talking to the people at SoCal Teardrops, which has helped me tremendously, whether they know it or not, just little hints on how to do things. And Formica top, splashboard. These cabinets actually mount up here, but I'm not mounting them till I get my walls up and I can see how much clearance I have and stuff like that. I don't want to dig myself into a hole, so to speak. 3 drawers. One big drawer with the stove on the top. It'll turn sideways, and I'll have a lever or a cable that will go back over to a tank that will be mounted on the wall back just behind the fender here. And then below, another drawer that we'll pull out that's going to have pots and pans in it. Right here, this is pre-drilled, and there's a slider that goes in here that mounts the ice chest on. So that's a simple breakdown on the back here. This will be up. In here is that sub panel with 5 switches to control different things. There's a couple of AC outlets in the bottom of this. One for the microwave and one up here in front, so I can easily get it for a coffee pot or whatever. There'll be an on-off switch for the AC and a battery monitor panel. And so that's pretty simple. There'll be a couple of shelves in there, or a shelf in each one of those, and they're just I'm building away. Underneath, there's 2 water tanks. They're joined together here, and this is the vent and joins them together both. And this is the fill hose, which will come out. Both of them come out on this side behind the ice chest. Let me go over to the other front here and we'll take a look at that. Okay. Speaker enclosure filled with lining from a baby quilt lining package, and I just put one in each one to really deaden up the inside. Big chamber, should get good sound out of it. 2 doors and a shelf just for clothes, stuff like that. That's a lot of clothes. That's, you're looking at a couple weeks worth of clothes in there. And this is wide because right in the center there, I'm going to put a removable TV mount. AC outlet, 12 volt, DVD from the DVD player and radio and stuff over there. And AC panel here, access door, maybe eventually a little bit of storage in both places. Not much, just a little bit, but it's really nice to have something. They're low, the mattress will block them, I'm well aware of it. And I kind of plan that we really don't use these other than to get in here to work, hook things up and stuff. There's lots of room back there. I probably could have built this a foot shorter. And eventually there'll be a heater going here, a Propex heater. So I haven't bought it yet, and really don't need it till winter. So, okay, and then there's one more thing. The one more thing is this panel that will raise up, and this curve should match the ceiling. And in it is this one of those sub panels. And then of course I'm going to drill here and on this side too, and put in an extra USB outlet because I use a lot of USB. And basically that's my cabinetry. I've never done any cabinets before, never done any woodwork. I'm just shooting from the hip here. I hope it turns out good in the end, and you'll like it, and I'm sure I'm going to like it by the time I'm done, because I won't stop till I like it. And but I want to encourage anybody who's thinking about building a teardrop and said, I don't have the skills. Well, I've never done it. I don't have the skills, but I'm doing it anyway. And I'm sure it's going to come out okay. It's not a hard process. You just put your thinking cap on and you go for it. And in the end, you come out with something really nice. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll have more videos. I'm going to be putting the walls on very, very soon now. Bye.